welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Rated TV show, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngothando nesithembu. Guys, izolo it was a beautiful day bomusa msele celebrating iminyaka ewu-50 kwi-party yakhe guys, but ke kunezinto ke ezingajabulisanga ke ababukeli, ikakhulukazi when it come to umpumelelo Mseleko. Angazi bakithi kodwa nje lo mfana abantu abasamthandisisi nje, unesidinyana abanye bambiza ngosithuphethu, yabona nje kuningi guys, but ke abantu abaningi basola yena ke baba Mseleko ukuthi ke uyena ofayile umfana ephaketheni futhi uyahluleka ukumkhuza ngamaphutha ke awenzayo. But guys, what I like about uMayeni when it come to umpumelelo, azangaze amkhava, uhleze esho ukuthi yabona into impumela yiyo kungenxa yababo wakhe, uyena baba comments ukuthi ke abe nje. So guys, I was checking ama comment ngibona indlela abantu bangajabulile ngaye nje umpumele eyedwa. Izolo ke he was giving a speech ke, waqala ke manje wafaka ukuthi bambiza ngebhubesi lalapha nekhaya ngoba yena uyakhuluma izinto mangabe ngayithandi. I-question ukuthi ke wonke umuntu kobe khona lapha ya umndeni akekho wazi indaba lelibhubesi akhuluma ngalo ukuthi ubani ukubuza ngebhubesi kahle because all of us we don't know that. And guys, waphinde waqhubeka washo ukuthi ke kunezinto nje engahambi kahle la ekhaya, bonke umuntu futhi khona lapha ya ama siblings akhe athi hayibuya yabona lokho sekukhuluma bengafanele nje azakhulume, like kungena kuphi ngoba sizo celebrate ubaba lana, sizo celebrate, sizojabula, yena sefuna ukufaka indaba zala ekhaya esingazi nokuthi ukhuluma ngani ke. Vele ngoba Mseleko wesiyakhuluma athi yabona into ayaziyo ngompumelelo ukuthi umpumelelo ufuna ukulawula omama bakhe, and abanye bakhala ukuthi phela umpumelelo akasiyo indlalifa kahle ngoba wazalwa uma wakhe engakashadi. Umuntu kahle oyindlalifa ulwandle futhi owasendlunkulu. So guys, umpumelelo abantu basamthandisisi shem, especially after ke lento ayisho kuMangwabe uneyikandela eziningi lezi abantu bamcasukele bamdinwe. So I was checking ama comment lapha na ke einkundleni zokuxhumana, omunye uthe everything that Mpumelelo says and trust me, it's from Umusa. He shares everything with that boy. That's why he behaved like that. What the comment I was waiting for. You know what? There is so much that Mpumelelo knows that other family members are not aware of. He is not just his dad's son, but a friend and confidant. Plus, he is the oldest son. His behavior generally speaks volume. There is so much that Musa tells him, and one day is one day. Watomunye, Macele's son must teach Mayene's son ama manners, because ungena tabeng the elders. God forbid the day Musa depart from Mother Earth, that boy will be worse than this. He already thinks his father will depart and he will be left as the head. She endaweni zabantu abadala nkosi yami. Yabona nje uhleze nje guys, but abantu bamcasukela kakhulu. Wathi someone need to put this boy in a corner. Surely Vuyokazi hate herself for ever fighting for this loser. This boy disrespectful and boring like his mother. And please don't reply on my comment. We all have platform to comment our views. I don't need unnecessary drama. Same WhatsApp group with Usiyacela. This one is different in his toothless lion. Siyacela is stupid. But at least guys, baba Siyacela yena wayembona umntana ukuthi stupid. Umseleka akambona uMpumelelo ukuthi uyinkinga kulo mndeni. Uyinkinga uyibona nje ubaba kahle yabona nje le comment lethi mangasethi uyashona bomseleko uMpumelelo yoba inkinga worse than le sikubonayo mhla ubaba wakhe washona lapha kulo amuzi. So guys, mina ngazi yazi nkosi yami, angazi but nje abamthandisisa abantu la einkundleni zokuxhumana uMpumelelo ngoba utshela ukuthi imdala, utshela ukuthi uyiboss, utshela ukuthi uphethe kaMseleko nezingane zakwabo nje asamuzisisi kahle, abamuzisisi kahle ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Bengafanele akhulume ngalezo zinto lapha, bengafanele guys. Bilapha bekuyo celebrate ibirthday kababa wakhe, yabona nje. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.